studies, you might find an equation asking you to find the interior and exterior angle of a shape. How do you do that, you may ask? By following the simple method or formula. The formula is 180 bracket x minus 2. The reason we have x here is because the angle depends on the shape. If it is a 5-sided shape, x is going to be a 5. If it's a hexagon and a 6-sided shape, x is going to be 6. So it always depends on the number of sides the shape has. So since we're using a pentagon as an example, its number of sides is 5. So it's going to be 180 bracket 5 minus 2, which equals to 180 times 3. Now the reason we have 180 or minus 2 is because of triangles. You see, in every single shape there are triangles. If you look at this pentagon, I have one on the top right there, and this square is actually 2 triangles. And in total, in this pentagon, there are 3 triangles, just like our answer over here. And these 3 triangles are also in every other shape, but not just 3, sometimes 4, sometimes 5, sometimes 6. The reason we have 180 was triangles are known to have a sum of 180, and there are always 180. And the reason we have minus 2 is because in these shapes you can see, in a triangle you can see that there's 3 sides, but we only use 2 of these sides to do subtraction. We don't need the other side. As you can see here, one of the sides is over here, and then one of the sides over here, and the other 2 sides are these sides, which we are subtracting by. So we do 180 times 3, which equals to 540. Now 540 is not the interior or exterior angle. 540 is the sum of these angles. The pentagon has a sum of 540 degrees. Now to find the interior angle, we have to do 540 divided by x, or this number of sides, which is 5. And 540 divided by 5 is 108. Now 108 degrees is going to be the interior. Now to find the exterior, we have to use the interior angle. So we have to do 108 plus y equaling 180. As you can see, it has to add up to 180 because we use the triangles. And the reason we put y there is it depends on the interior angle. So 108 plus what makes 180, which is 72, meaning 72 degrees is going to be the exterior angle. Let's move on to another example right here. So we have this octagon right here, and we have to find out the interior and exterior angle. Now we should start off with the interior, because to find the exterior we still need the interior. So first we do 180 bracket x, which in this case is 8, minus 2, which equals 180 times 6. Now 180 times 6 equals to 1080. Now, as you know, 1080 is not the interior or exterior angle, is just the sum of all of this together. And again, as you can see, there are multiple triangles in the octagon. There's one right there. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. And this one is 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 triangles, just like number 6 here. So 1080 divided by 8, because we got 8 as our number of sides, equals, we do 0, 8, 0. It goes into 10 one time. 10 minus 8 equals 2. 28. 8, 16, 24, 3. Making this to 24. So let's move over here. Making this into 4. Bring down that 0 over there. And this 40. So 3. And 8 times 5 is 40. Making 0. So the interior angle is going to be 135. Now for the exterior, we have to do 135 plus y equals 180. And 135 plus 45 makes 180. So 45 degrees is going to be the exterior.